Bad news. The bus is on the road. It's not supposed to be yellow, but we'll fix that in a couple minutes or whatever. It's on the road. Bad news. We're on the road with the bus. I gotta make sure it's okay where I park my car, because there we are. We got the bus on the road. No load yet. We need a damn load. It rides a little bumpy. I don't know how the... Holy crap. Oh, there's a car pile up over here. Oh, ride's excellent. All right. Wish me luck. I gotta get heat in this bus. I gotta get some air. Holy crap. Worst day of the year. Put it on the road. Alright. When the roads look like this, I call it quits for the day. That sucks. Fuck that. I got the bus on the road. Can't do nothing with it until I fix it. And this shit weather goes away, because this shit sucks.